Welcome to Website Wednesdays, where I sit down with you to critique a random website off of Google using the storybrand method. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it and consider subscribing. Let's dive into the video. But before we go on, this video is sponsored by Vogel Consulting. Many profit and non-profit businesses struggle to land sales or get funding. At Vogel Consulting, we help them clarify the words in their elevator pitch, on their website, and in their email campaigns, resulting in a better marketing message that lands them the sale or gets them the funding they need. If you want this for your website or your marketing message, get a quote today at jonathanvogel.com. Let's take a look. Bank of America, let's try that. I'm really curious to see what they do. I'm really curious. It's a very big company, so Bank of America. All right, so grunt test. Problem you solve, how does it make my life better? And how do I get it? Ready? 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the only thing I remember seeing is Sal Khan from Khan Academy on the bank thing. Let's get started. I can open up a bank account now. Bank of America logo. That's pretty clear. I would think. I need to open up a bank account, but it doesn't give me a. Anyway, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Bank of America, open a checking account with a bank focused on you. Okay, that's pretty good. Mobile banking account app lets you bank securely from almost anywhere. That's actually a pretty good heading. Well done, guys. You're a very expensive corporation, and you very expensive. I say they're very well off. So I think that's good. Get started. Very clear. And it's got a card and stuff. It's pretty clear. Again, this login portal though, I would just kind of put that off to the side and make it a little out of the way, especially people looking for the first time. Maybe do like a login button on the top left, but they've chosen to do it like this, so we'll just kind of go with that. Bank of America, it's pretty clear. Again, all these menu stuff, I would put that in the footer below. Just make it really simple. I saw Sal Khan, that's what I remembered. Alerts on your way, blah, 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 blah. We're proud to partner with Khan Academy's Keep Everyone Learning initiative. That's cool. Again, that's an authority statement, right? So I would and just put that. It's good. It's good that you guys got it there. But Zelle, get checking, blah, blah, blah. Again, this is what I'm seeing. I'm reading the text is the right kind of text, right? You've got the right words. The problem is there's so much of it and there's so much going on this website. It's kind of it's a lot and people aren't reading it. So I would simplify it. I would just make that login portal not the first thing you see. Make a picture of somebody happy on their mobile phone doing a bank something or other, or paying with their phone or something like that, smiling, happy they're using their Bank of Montreal, the Bank of America app, right? And then get started is really clear. Open a check. Again, the header is great. I would just kind of clear up the menu stuff, clear up this stuff so it's a lot more simple. So the only thing you want people to do is to get started or log in. And maybe you could do 2 buttons: get started or get a new account and log in. Have 2 buttons all the way down the website like that. So as we scroll down now, we see a whole bunch of we're here to help with what's next. We solve all your banking problems is a lot more clear. Better money habits rated. Now I just feel kind of dumb. I don't know what better money habits are. Registered, has resources to help you navigate a changing world. Okay, better money habits has resources to help you. What's better money habits? I feel kind of dumb. Don't put that registered symbol there. It's not helping you. We're here to help with what's next. Financial guidance to help them. Okay, coronavirus, digital wallet. I would just be like, we have a free online app. We take care of all your we take care of all your financial goals. We carry you through coronavirus. 0% interest rates. That's a lot more clear. Make it about the customer. It's like, this is like if you're on a scale of level 10 being like expert techie knowledge and 1 being like you solve problem like a caveman. This is like a level 5. You want to be at a level 1 or 2 so people understand, we help you with all your financial needs. Okay, that makes sense. And then you start listing all those financial needs. And that's what you're doing here. But it's, again, the language is a little too insider. Some insider language I don't understand. Make it a little bit more clear so more people can understand. Visit better money habits. Again, you told me to get started earlier. What do you want me to do? Visit better money habits or get started? There's too much confusion. Your news and information. So you guys are a news company. Yeah? You partner with a news firm. Live services from Bank of America. Okay. Again, too many options, right? And then there's all this text in the bottom. Okay, so this is more their footer, their junk drawer. Again, hey, you guys are making a ton of money at Bank of America. You go for it. But that's what the StoryBrand method. If you really want to increase clients, then doing something like that. If you just remove the risk and remove the problem, and you guys position yourselves as the guide to your customer's problem, I think you'll actually, you're doing well anyway, but I think that would just be a little bit more clear on your website. So again, let me know what you guys think. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it. If you want me to critique your website, let me know in the comments below. And make sure you like this video, enjoy it, consider subscribing if you want. And like always, this Website Wednesdays is about sitting down with you and critiquing a random website off of Google using the StoryBrand method. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. You're awesome.